In this video, I'll show you how you can create a full website and a blog using AI. We are going to use bad AI to research a topic. So let's go ahead and ask it 10 subjects on the topic of fitness that are popular right now and will be popular in the future. Here we can see the topics it outlined for us. I like to go with yoga. Go to this website called Hoocos. When you're on this site, go ahead to pricing and start with a free plan. Here it's going to ask us to describe the purpose of our website. Yoga personal trainer, this is close to what we're looking for, so we're going to choose that one. Okay, here we're going to select the services that we are going to offer. You can say private yoga classes, home yoga sessions, and private yoga therapy. So we're going to get new customers, write a blog, and get bookings. We're going to choose online business only. We're going to ask Bard AI to generate for us 10 names we can use for our business. Yoga Harmony sounds good. We're going to use inspiration approach, affordable prices, free consultation. We'll just keep this one for now. Choose templates that we like to use for our website. So let's click this one and continue. Preview for the template that we have selected. We can go ahead over here to choose colors. This one looks nice. Let's go ahead and continue. Now he's gonna prompt us to choose the fonts that we like to use. This one looks perfect, so let's create our website. Our website has already been created. So over here you can take a look at the website from top to bottom. It's a real website. We're gonna start customizing it according to how we would like our website to look. So first of all, we can change the text or our copy on our website, and it's so easy to just highlight it, and then you can click over here where you can rewrite it, or you can tell AI to write it for you. So, and then you can go ahead and rewrite it for us. You can go ahead and regenerate the copy too. Replace with selected, so you can see over here just replace what we had. So change this one. You can click over here to rewrite it by yourself, or you can ask AI to write it for you. Then we can generate AI and replace with selected over here, and that's the same thing you can do with services. You can change home yoga sessions to, you can add private home yoga sessions over there. So if we like to add any widgets, so these are the widgets that we can add on our website. We can add an about us. You can see over here, this is the new widget that we just added. So this is an about us, so we can go ahead and move it down, but that's by clicking this move down widget until to position it to where we would like it to be on our site. We can go ahead and add another widget like subscribe. You can see over here it has generated a subscribe widget where now anyone can input their email to include services and the format that you like to include your services. Maybe this format, you can go ahead and add it over here. You can see it's inputting our services with great images. You can go ahead and change images if you'd like to change images. So let's use this image here and change this image. You can go ahead and upload your own image, or you can use the free images that they have over here. So let's use this image. You can customize it and save image. Now you can see over here our image is changed. Let's change our logo. So over here you can go ahead and change the logo over here. Just click on the logo and you can go ahead and upload your logo if you have one, or you can ask AI to generate a logo for you, and it will generate a logo for you over here. Text as our logo, so use that as our logo. So you can see over here you can change even the links up here to what you like the links to be. So let's click on blog over here, and then it will ask us some questions so you can understand the kind of blog that we like to create, and also outline templates that we like to use for a blog. You can say I have a few already prepared. Let's use the right side and continue. Let's select the best layout structure for a blog. Let us use this one over here and continue, and then it will generate our blog. We just have a fully functional blog that can upload your pictures. And to create a new post, just go over here to add new post, and you can generate, you can choose the topic that you like to write your blog about, or you can generate one with AI like here. So let us generate a blog article with AI. We're going to ask Bard AI to generate 10 topics on the niche of yoga for us. So let us use yoga for weight loss. Go ahead and add it over here to the side of our posts. We'll use amazing weight loss with yoga. So it has already generated a blog post for us, and you can just choose the same method that we have been editing text. Double click, and then you can write it, or you can ask AI to write it for you. You can also change images with the same method that we changed before. So this is a fully functional blog post. Here we can go ahead and add sections if you like. So you can add buttons, you can add images, videos, and add this one. You can go ahead and add it over here. So here's the subscribe form that we just added. You can add, this is a quote, and so many other sections that you can add. You can see over here. You can go ahead and edit them the same way we've done previously. And then you can go over here to blog up. So here's where you can see the published and unpublished blog posts over here. Here you can also see how the blogs are performing just by clicking the blog dashboard. And you can go ahead and click design. You can continue customizing the colors of your blog. And then you can choose any font over here that you like. You can make edits over here. To access our main dashboard, you can go ahead and click back to dashboard over here. And over here now you can take a look at your different projects and the different websites that you've created. So this is our live website, the one that we just created in less than 5 minutes. So this is a full website with a full functioning blog. So spend some time customizing your website to copies and images and colors and fonts that you like. The aitool also helps you to host your websites using this platform, so you don't have to worry about going and buying a domain from other different companies. So you can just buy and host your website using this incredible tool. And you can do that by clicking on a premium plan over here to just host your site. There's a lot more that we could have covered. Let me know if this is something you'd be interested in, and I can go into a more detailed video in the future. We can also get into more details about how you can get traffic to your site using SEO and other platforms like Pinterest. Let me know if this is something you'd be interested in. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.